Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly delete your Oracle Cloud Tenancy. Before we begin, remember to take backup of all critical data, including databases, block and object storage. Pretty much make sure you backup and download anything you may need in the future. Additionally, go ahead and make sure to turn off all services to avoid unnecessary charges. Once you're ready, from your Oracle Cloud Management console, click on the profile in the upper right corner, click on Tenancy, and then go ahead and click on the big red Request Tenancy Deletion button. You'll be presented with this Request Tenancy Deletion pop-up. Here you'll get a warning that this deletion is irreversible and that you might be eligible for one-time reactivation if you request it within 30 days. I personally wouldn't count on that, so unless you're 100% sure you want to delete your tenancy, you should stop now and click on the cancel button. If at this point you're still sure you want to delete your tenancy, go ahead and enter your tenancy's name in the box below. And again, there are no more warnings after this, so do not click on that request tenancy deletion button unless you're completely sure you want to proceed. If so, go ahead and click on the button to proceed with your request. On the next screen, in the upper right, you should see this message here that tells you that your deletion request is in progress. Down here under work requests, you can see that your request was accepted, and eventually the state of your request should change from accepted to in progress. Once the state of your request is in progress, it may take some time, but if everything goes as expected and there are no issues with your tenancy, the state of your request should change to succeeded and turn green. At that point, there is not much you can do but wait. I have heard different reports as to how long it takes for a tenancy to get completely removed. People were saying it may take from a week up to a month. In my case, it took about 20 days. You can always come back here periodically and check the progress of your termination request if you wish. Once you're done, you can go ahead and sign out from your Oracle Cloud Management console. If you want to check on the status of your request, all you need to do is log in back to your Oracle Cloud Management console. Again, click on Profile in the upper right corner, then Tenancy, and you should be back to Tenancy Profile page. And here you should be able to see your progress under Work Requests. Now, I personally never got notification from Oracle that the deletion request was submitted and the deletion of my tenancy was ever completed. But at some point, about 20 days after I submitted the request, I was no longer able to log in into my tenancy, and I started receiving this message telling me that no identity domains were found. I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please go ahead, click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe.